Well, guys, I don't know if you can see that, but it's minus 25. There we go. Minus 25 outside in the garden, and I'll show you where that is. We're going to go out and take a look. I'm going to talk to you about the lettuce garden right now. And, well, just give me a minute. We'll be right there. Okay, we're going to continue this venture outside. Like I said before, it's minus 25. And we've had some horrible, wicked winds blowing the snow around here. And we've had wind chills of minus 45 at night. Tonight's not going to be so bad, not so cold, wind-wise. Let's go down minus 30 tonight Celsius here in Eastern Ontario. We'll go down our trails here. Just going to take a, before we get to the garden, I'm going to get over here, check the bird feeders, see if there's any deer back there. No, I don't see any. The other day my dog came out here and we had a big doe here and she almost got kicked in the head. So there, that's for the birds, but the deer seem to get in there. There we go. So that's the garden, covered under a lot of snow. But that's the eye garden. The winter garden with the lettuce is over here, guys. Just bear with me. We've had a lot of drifting and blowing snow. The reason why I'm doing this video, guys, is we're going to do a reveal. Because, believe it or not, in a couple of days it's going to be +1. And then I'm going to sweep this off. You can see the lettuce garden is under snow, and I'm going to keep it that way because minus 25 would literally kill your vegetables. You don't want to do that. So underneath there, in the snow, it's probably about -2 or maybe +1 or something like that, but it's not terribly warm. But I just wanted to show you, and then we're going to do a reveal and see how everything is going under there. Now, there might be a little bit of mortality, but they all come back come spring. This is the early winter garden. Early spring garden, I should say. So by March, we'll be eating lettuce out of here. Or earlier. Then we'll go back here. It's cold. I won't be out here long. I'm going to sit down and watch a hockey game tonight. It looks like Vancouver's playing Toronto. So anyway, we'll take you back here to the, you can see the kind of snow I'm busting through here. Take you back here. You see our garden. Neighbor's dog is going crazy. Fire pit. This is a trail, and normally it's quite done here. This is our fire pit. One of our composters. Hopefully that dog shuts up. And then we got, what is your problem, Buppy? Then we're gonna go with this composter, guys. You can see it's all frozen. Oh, totally frozen. It's minus 25. So you can see a nice big silhouette under there. Can't see any deer tracks, but you'll probably see some tomorrow morning. They're not in here yet. All right. Fighting with dogs and everything. You can tell when the deer are here, that dog goes crazy. Anyway, there's our landscape. That's what it looks like right now. Desolate wasteland. Alright, so I'm going to let you guys go. In that garden, we're going to have a reveal probably in the next couple of days. We're supposed to get 5 degrees Celsius. It's about 40 Fahrenheit. That's pretty hard to believe when you're sitting at 22 below. But anyway, have a good time, everyone. Rob out, and I'll see you with the update soon. Take care, everybody. I'm freezing.